How to do airplane mode and Monopoly Go. So basically, airplane mode allows you to reset current game or the points and scores that you have accumulated without turning on the airplane mode yet. So basically, what you want to do is just to pull up your Monopoly Go application and then just play along the game and just roll over the dice is right here. And then if you don't want these certain points that you have accumulated or won from this current match without turning your airplane mode, then you don't have to do anything. But if you don't like, or if you would want to reset and go back to the very first card you went on the first place, is just directly opening up your airplane mode right here, and then play along the game for maybe a minute or two. Then once the time has passed, then you just have to close the application, go back and turn off your airplane mode and try to rerun the game. And that's it. That's how it works. That's how you do the airplane mode in Monopoly Go.